I wish I had known how beautiful you are. Is it too late to tell you? In my life, I was a very good dancer. I knew all the moves. I had great timing. I really listened to the music. I observed etiquette, and I stayed in the line of dance. Girls who danced with me would smile, and they would shut their eyes. But I danced only with my ego and never with my heart. I had no time for beginners. I would choose a prettier girl or a thinner girl or a younger girl than you. And even when you reached into my eyes and begged me for a dance, I looked right through you to the woman behind. And you sat there night after night, not dancing enough, and sad that I did not ask you. Yeah, I was a wonderful dancer. Until the day I died. I died and went to Tango Hell. Let me tell you about Tango Hell. I thought you might like to know. Tango Hell is a milonga every night. It starts at midnight and it goes on until dawn. No one knows my name. I am invisible. All the other dancers are better than me. The floor is crowded and there is no line of dance. I take to the floor and other couples knock into me. I cannot protect my partner. She's kicked, and I am powerless. And then my favorite music comes on, and I want to dance. But it's ladies' choice. And I'm not asked. And every dance is ladies' choice. And I sit on the side. And now I know what it is to sit. And my shoes don't fit. And I cannot take them off. Then all goes silent. The dance continues without me. It's like a silent movie where I have no part. Help me break this spell. Another chance. I feel differently now. I know how beautiful you are. How beautiful you are. How beautiful. All it takes is one dance for me to be released. If you ask me to dance, I will be set free. Can't you see? I'm over here. Don't you remember that one time, all those years ago, we danced? And I stepped on your foot, and you laughed, and I got upset, which made you laugh even more. That's it. You remember now. You're smiling at the memory. Wait. Are you smiling at the memory? Or are you smiling at him? Not him. Don't look around. Don't look away. No, don't ask him. He can't dance. He's worse than me. He started after me. He has bad breath. He's wearing training shoes. He steers with his hands. He'll dance with you like you are a bus. If anyone is to be released, let it be me. To be free, to do it right. Everyone makes mistakes, but they shouldn't have to burn in hell for it. Bring me back to life, and I will make you extravagant promises I cannot keep.